Yeah, what's going on, guys? I'm Looperman, and today I'll teach you a quick throat bass tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you need to keep in mind is that the sound comes from the lower throat area. So it's not actual nasal growl bass, it's not whoa, 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 it's not mid bass, it's not wow, 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 wow. It's not that. It's just like try to go as slow as you can. So the first thing to keep in mind is clearing your throat. Like clearing your throat goes like and try to keep that as slow as you can. Step 2 is focus on making an actual continuous bass sound, which might sound at first like and you see when you keep that going, you actually get a tone out of that. So it's like so the more you practice the sound, the more you try to make it like continuous sounding, the more you get closer to the sound. So it goes like so the trick to master the sound actually is keep your mouth hydrated. Make sure your throat isn't dry at all when you're doing it. And to get like a shorter sound, to get it sounding right at first, try to focus on like the little wows and little wows, like speaking it like and what actually helped me is just try to put a kick first. That might help you actually. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. More videos to come. Peace.